Hey friends, if you encounter the error, we were unable to add the requested image error code 0x80131577, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. This is an app specific error, and let's say that you encounter it with the ShareX app. So you have to click on app settings in the right pane. Okay. Scroll down and first of all click on terminate to terminate the process. Now why are we clicking on it separately? Why can we just not close the application? Because many of these applications keep running in the background. Okay, it will show here if you check the list of background processes. But anyway, to be on the safer side, just click on terminate. Now click on repair and let the app repair itself and wait till you get a tick mark. Then click on reset and then click on reset once again and wait till you get a tick mark here. And finally click on uninstall and select uninstall. And once it has uninstalled, you can open the Microsoft Store either from here or search for it in the search bar and open it, and then search for the app on the Microsoft Store, and then you can install it again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.